fucking fly go? Just review. Get the fuck off my cunt. Cunt. Just review. There's a dog that sounds like it's getting murdered, like full on, like bloody gore, like fucking Ted Bundy ass fucking murder, bray. Ooh, wee. Just shit. Just review episode 3. Not the third episode, but episode 3. And today we are going to look around. And I don't know if I've been back here. There is a mystery hole. I don't know where that goes. There's a mystery bottle. That. Ooh! A screw in a piece of old wood. See, this is why Just Review doesn't work anymore. There's nothing. Hammer! Oh my god. Hammer. Alright. I need a hammer for later. Fucking hell! We got another hole. Shovel. And we do have, neighbor's backyard. Alright. Neighbor's backyard. Which is interesting. If we look. Is that my stuff? I don't know what that is. I like that bucket of old mucky water. I love Gangnam Style, but I love Gangnam Style.
She thought I was dead. I was trying to tell her I was alive. I was screaming. God, can't you see me? Can't you see me breathing? Look at me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I couldn't move.
He holds.
We done, boys. Milk. We're gonna milk this for juice. Now, we're not reviewing that, stupid. We're reviewing the alarm clock. Now, this is, oh my god! I just had cinnamon toast crunch. This is my childhood alarm clock. It doesn't work. But, nigger, this thing used to like point at the ceiling and display the time that was on there. It doesn't work. Or it doesn't have no batteries. But who cares? First off, we need to finish them. It does still have some DNA left on that ribosome. Fucking hell. So we need to get rid of the DNA quick. And you know what tool we use to get rid of DNA? That's right. An axe. And once we get rid of the DNA, with the axe, we'll be chilling. Okay. Woo! Fuck. Fucking hell. I can't hit. Ah! Ooh, that was good. Okay. Okay. It's not broken. Ah! Shit on my curse word. I can get rid of the DNA. But if we are real quick, we can do this. We're gonna fucking murder that DNA. Come here, pussy. Come here, pussy. Come on, give me your pussy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright. Ooh. I use the scissors, that's what I'm saying. So now that we got rid of the DNA, and now we can deal with just this. And if you remember, one of our main weapons is Christmas golf. Right? It's not Christmas, I know. You know, I'm gonna keep saying, it's not Christmas! You can't golf. I don't care. I'm gonna say it, I don't care. We're the saggy ass fucking dog shit, rooster shit. Oh my god. It's a putter. That's a putter. I don't care. My leg's covered in cut. Come on. Hit that whip. Hit that like button. Yeah. We do have a putter. I don't know if that's going to be a problem. But I don't know. It's not going to be a solution. So we're just going to take a full-on swing at it. And then I'll reveal the damage. You know. See, here's the problem. There's usually a gremlin, and he's not hiding. There's no visual damage, my nigga. No? Doesn't seem hurt. We could go for another swing. Okay, welcome back to another swing. Now, here's the problem with golf clubs. They're too heavy. It's a putter. It's a Christmas putter. That's what I'm saying. So I'm going to try to go pop, but hit it hard. Alright. Oh, shit.
I did a terrible, stupid thing. Okay, and I'm sorry. I wish I could take it back, but I can't.
Over, I'm so over you.
Wake up, little tug. Oh, you okay? Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? Alright, this thing's strong, okay? Nothing about it seems off. The snooze is still on. The only thing we did was cut this off, so it's already past point of no return. So I gotta finish it. But, I stepped in a hole. Pull that pussy, cram that pussy. We have other tools to kill it. But that's no fun. Where? I gotta go find my kill. If you look in here, we may be able to find. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know what that was, but I'm not going back. Oof, it wasn't even in there. It was over here. Oh, fuck. I did like the meme where you step on the rake and it hits you in the face. Except it didn't hit me because I'm too quick. I do have this baseball bat. 4th generation. So, some may not like it. I like it personally. I'm going to try to get a full-on swing here. If not, I'm going to try to get a full-on swing with 2 hands instead of like that. Fuck. Alright. Okay. Look at this. The wirings has been revealed. Could pry it open real quick. If you look at it, it is interesting to see it, but I cannot pop it open. So let's go, I don't know. Let's just get another, like, quick swing. Oh! Alright, that's too much. There is this piece, which is caught in my hand. Okay, we have this, the rejector part on top. We actually have the little nub? What is this? It's something.
Belanie, if you're listening, I'm sorry,
Someone over
okay?
here.
Please forgive me.
I don't know, I don't care.
Please, everyone
Go
has
piece.
second chances.
Here's
Just
the meat.
forgive me. I'm sorry.
Here's the meat. Okay. We opened it. So if you look, interestingly, this cracked here and here. This wall cracked. Still attached. Might have to cut that open. But everything's perfectly fine. What's interesting to see is that this is dusty. And it's been inside the laptop the whole time. So there's that. There's a motherboard or something. There's like gears and shit. There's wires and shit. Yeah, there's gears and shit. There's wires and shit. I like this. It's like what the buttons are on this side. Interesting. Uh-oh. A screw. I might have to... I need to go get some real quick. Let's get them, boys. I got the axe. I got the axe from earlier. And now we can just fucking... Oh! Nigga. Alright, that was a good shot. That little thing. I don't care. Alright. What happened here? Okay, so this is bent. And it's peeling off. Everything's coming apart. This is awful. What's this? Huh. More pieces. Huh. I don't know what to do about this. Like, I feel like it's weak sauce. You know what I mean? Like, I got the axe. But, like, if I just chop it, where's the fun in that? You know what I mean? Like, I could just full on just fucking chop it, but... Oh, nigger. I thought I need to stop. Oh, it's dog poop. Dog poopy. I eat. We do have the axe in here, but... What the fuck? You motherfucker. You really chose to fight me now? Idiot. Do you not see? You fucker. I'm gonna kill you. You killed everything I knew. Oh yeah, I forgot. We still have this. Wait, still have that. I don't know what to do with this. Let's leave 2 pieces. We could do this. That stairs fucked. Alright, we got it. We got 1 piece. We got 2 separate pieces. Alright, now we got this. That was awful. Okay. Let's see. Alright. It hurts my hand. It hurts my hand. Ugh. Fuck. This thing's like fucking me up. Alright. Hey, bitch. Bitch. Tucker. Bitch, come on. Oh no. Why'd you do this? Now I have the meat. This is gonna be scary. It's like breaking your iPhone and picking it up. Ain't that something? It's just a bunch of shit. Like, I don't care. Come on. Give me some juice. Give me anything here. Where's the big gear? It's only the tiny one. Oh, there it is. It's under there. I don't care. I don't want to pick it up. I do have this. I have a whip now. Like, whip that like button. Oh, nah. Oh, my God. That one hit me. Oh, shit. That one's cool now. Okay, wait. Hold up. Alright. As you can see, everything's aligned here. Here's the shell. Here's the speaker. I don't know. I don't fucking know. It's like a little twisty now, so we put that back. Let's go. Oh, you. What are you doing in here, buddy? All right. Are you okay? Oh, look. There's peels coming off. Ooh, that's cool looking. Oops. That was on purpose. That was an accident, I mean. I gotta end this shit. I already did the whole fucking baby thing over there. Bitch. You should, press the like button if you liked the video. That's all. Smash that like button!